This is my shop here in Northeast Portland, where I recently got a bunch of big chunks of elm delivered to my house. This is an old tree that was grown in front of the downtown main library for 100 or 150 years. There's a couple different piths in this one, so I have a lot to avoid. But right away I can see that there's many areas with bowls in them, even with all those piths. This is a piece of wood out of the branch that came from here, and it would have been from the piece of wood about right here. This is my wood turning studio. I work out of my garage in my home. Aside from harvesting local wood and turning it into art or usable pieces, I also do a bunch of commission work. This is a 5/8 deep fluted bowl gouge. It's my main gouge. I try and keep 3 or 4 of them sharp at all times. So this is the elm blank that I just flipped from the screw chuck to the tenon. And as I was pointing out earlier, this growth that you see right here used to be a branch, then it was cut. It's almost like you can see the undulation of the chainsaw teeth hitting it. And after a couple of years, depending on how quick the tree was growing and how big the branch was, the tree just grew around it, encapsulating this cut with the bulk of its growth.